Going home day.
Going on with it. You guys have been the best. Wonderful job.
You've done a lot of awesome hard work.
I couldn't have done it without the people here. Sure appreciate it.
This is so fun. Okay. Where's your car?
Right over
That
there.
fancy blue
Yukon?
truck? Oh, that Yukon. You're going the distance.
I am.
That's awesome.
I drove here, but that was before I had all my physical therapy and stuff. So I'm better now. Is that unlocked? It's unlocked on the other side. It's just hard to open. And if you could leave enough room for the walker, that'd be great. With the walker. Walk out. Rock the road. Okay.
Like a pro.
Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Awesome job.
Thank you. We'll see you guys.
Congratulations.